Hello everyone, this is Cordless and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today I'm going to talk about Cordless vacuum cleaner model HB-5677 from the brand Hitz Professional. So if you are looking to clean your wood and tile surface, fabric and carpet, and also your animal pet hair, use this one lah. Let's check out the important features. So high suction, maximum turbo power up to 100,000 RPM, LED panel, long run time, extra large dust compartment, and low noise. Talk only ma. Let's go for unboxing. Whoa! Let's bring out all the components and parts. This one very important, yeah. Make sure you go through the instruction manual before you start the installation. Oops, sorry. I forgot to mention that this cordless vacuum cleaner runs on the 20-volt brushless motor. And here are the battery and charger with a capacity of 4.0 ampere hour and charging time 120 minutes. This is the charger. And this is the battery. To begin installation, let's start with step number 1. The battery into the body until you hear the sound click. Let me show you. Step number 2, installation of dust cup. Ayo, already installed lah, how lah? Never mind, let me show you again. Click the red button here. Open it up. This is the dust cup, and this is how you install it back. Easy, right? Step number 3, connect the floor brush, this one, yeah, and the metal pipe. Let me show you. Step number 4, connect the metal pipe or connection tube to the main unit. Of course, until you hear the sound click. Not forgetting the bracket that you need to screw onto the wall to hang the cordless vacuum cleaner and its accessories. Ta-da! This battery is fully charged. Let's test the suction power. Battery indicator 100%, low mode, medium mode, and high mode. Whoa! I'm impressed. Hitz Professional 20-volt cordless vacuum cleaner comes in 3 functions. Number 1, with the use of combination brush. Number 2, with the long flat suction nozzle. This one. Whoa. And finally, the floor brush. Thank you for watching my video. If you are interested in this cordless vacuum cleaner or any of the Hitz Professional's products, please let me know and comment below. This is Cordless and I'll see you in my upcoming ATKC Home Improvement Show. Bye bye for now.